Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Today we're going to do hopefully a quick unboxing, and it is a new Coach bag. I saw the bag, I fell in love with the bag, I saved up to get the bag, and I bought it. So if you're wanting to know what the bag is, then come on back in just a second because I'm telling you, oh, it is a fabulous bag, and it is Outlet, Coach Outlet. Coach Outlet is stepping it up. Coach Outlet is on fire. So come back to find out what I have. All right, Bean Beauties. Yep, here it is. Although, it's in a envelope. It's not in a box, and I don't know about that. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me see. This just got here today. I am filming on Friday morning at 2:30 in the morning on February the 28th, the last day of February. And I'm trying to see if they, here's the tab. The tab is over here. Let's see if it works this time. So I'm trying to get this open because I'm excited to use this. Here is what it looks like here. I saw this bag and I thought this is a great alternative to a couple of bags that we may all know and love. Alternative. Here's the bag. Oh, here is the bag. It is the Hadley, the new Hadley shoulder bag. Yes, it is. All right, let me get all this undone. My hands are hurting, so because I can do it. It's going to take me a little while. Let me pause the video. I don't normally do this, but let me pause the video, and I'll come back in just a second when it's all undone, okay? Whoa, okay, I got most of the packaging off. I love the fact that Coach protects the bags. So this is what it looks like. This is the Merlot and Gold Hadley shoulder bag. And I saw it and I thought that it looks like a regular tabby. Oh my goodness, look at that. It is perfect, a perfect shoulder bag. It Look at that. Let me see the measurements for this. Now this color, I'm sorry, is sold out. It's not showing up on the website. But the shoulder strap is 9.5 drop. This is like very comfortable. You know, I have this here. It's very comfortable. It looks good with this. I really like this a lot. The strap, which comes with a detachable strap. Here is the detachable strap, and it's a nice wide strap with the gold hardware. And the strap is 20 inches drop. The drop is 20 inches. Coach definitely has a very generous strap length. I usually don't need to add an extender. Every once in a while I'll do, but usually I don't have to. I'm going to put it on the last hole. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Generally they have seven holes, and for me, I feel that there's a trick to doing this so that they don't pop off each other and bump each other. My theory is that this right here hits the other one and it comes off. So I try to turn the dog leashes opposite so they are not butting each other up against each other so they can pop off. So that's my first theory. My second theory also too is to put a strap on. If you're going to wear it crossbody, then you need to put the crossbody part closest to your body so that it fits your body. Oh yeah, that's good. So it fits your body, and then this can hang forward so you can use it as decoration, or it's really easy because I like to use it then it makes it easier to take off and makes it easier to put on. So I will put in some Mod Chalk and I will show you how it looks standing up. But as of right now, it fits in a really good spot. Okay, let's talk a little bit more about the bag. I thought that it was looking like the Coach Retail Tabby is what I felt that it looked like, the original one. And I mean, it even has this down, the little tongue here is down, although the whole thing kind of doesn't come down like the Tabby does. But I feel like it would, it was kind of close to that. And then Jackie from Jack's Bag Attack actually sent a picture. Says, "Check this out. Doesn't it look like the Diane bag, the LV Diane bag?" And I was like, "Huh, it sure does. I guess it does." I mean, she used to have one, so she thought that this resembled that as well. And I was like, "Ah, this is a beautiful color. Beautiful color." Let's do a 360. Here's the front. Here's the sides. Here's the tag. Here's the back. It has a back pocket. It looks like it has microfiber lining. Here is the other side. Here is the bottom. No feet on the bottom because it's a shoulder bag. It has a twist lock, which is like, you don't normally find the twist lock in the outlet. So here it says Coach New York, and on the little twist lock, it says Coach. I don't think I'll ever be able to get close enough for y'all to see it, but it says Coach. It has, yes, a microfiber lining inside. It has this front pocket here. Has the front pocket. Okay, so here is the inside. Very nice on the inside. It's a really nice bag. So the dimensions of this bag is 9.75 in length, 6 inches high, and 2.75 in width. Right now available is the chalk with the gold, the dark stone with the gold, the black with the gold. The Merlot has sold out. I purchased mine. I'm glad I purchased it when I did. It's $149. It's listed for $149. So that's what I got it for, and which then there's free shipping, taxes $12.29, so a total of $161.29. It is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love this bag. It has really nice stitching here. The stitching looks really good. There are a couple of places, but I think that's reinforcement stitching. Like they're all thin, and right back here where the bend is at, right here, it has some reinforcement stitching right here. The inside is just really, I really am liking. I just think Coach outlet is on fire. The only thing is we don't get dust bags, but I can deal with that. I think I can deal with that. It'd be nice if the outlet had dust bags, but I am not going to cry over that. That's for sure. I will be happy with what comes in it. Since I know I'm not going to use this like super right away, although I want to. I want to close it up. Alrighty, let's see if I can do some mod shots. Hold on a second. So here it is what it looks like when I'm standing up. I'm wearing pants and a top. And here is what it looks like. It is just a little bit above my hip, but it feels very comfortable. I mean, it is probably a tad bit shorter than I normally like to wear them. However, I am really liking it. Really, really liking it. It's really comfortable. It's feeling more comfortable if I put it just slightly catty corner to the front. I normally carry it more in the front, but this is a longer bag than I normally carry. But I really like how that looks. So let me show you how it looks with the shoulder bag on. Oh my goodness, it fits great. It fits great. I can tell you this It's very comfortable up here, so this probably definitely will be used as a shoulder bag, and I will keep this in here as emergency. I don't have to wear it as a crossbody, but it's very comfortable. The strap is very comfortable. It's nice and thick, just thick enough. Oh, I just love this color. What do y'all think? Look at that color. Look at that color. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm super happy that I got one. Did anybody else get one, or were y'all looking for them or planning on getting one? Maybe I'll come back later and do a what fits, but I just wanted to show y'all that I absolutely love this bag. Let me sit down and we can do our outro, okay? Hold on a second. I am super loving this bag. Really am loving this bag. I think it looks really cool. This is how I sit at the doctor's office. That'll be comfortable to get into. And the twist lock, you know, my hands are hurting. It's really easy to open in and out. I love the leather. Very well done. Very well done. I just, you know, the price point. So compared to the tabby, the regular tabby from retail and its price point, and then I'm also putting up the LV Diane and its price point, because that's what it reminded Jackie of. I absolutely love the bag. Rating how I feel about it is the packaging for outlet for this bag. I mean, even though it arrived okay, it was stuffed very well. The clasp and all this was protected very well. I still would have preferred in a box rather than the bag. So thumbs down for that. The bag itself, the price point $149, thumbs up for that. This versus the pebble leather from the retail, thumbs up for this one. I'm like, the retail bag, the retail pebble grain versus the outlet. This one's the outlet. Thumbs up, people. Yeah, thumbs up. So let's see, we did the price point. This is definitely better. The presentation, the retail presentation is a little bit better. The bag itself and the quality, I'm okay with this one. You know, I'm thumbs up with this one. And what else? I guess that's probably it. So thumbs up, double thumbs up. You get double thumbs up for me. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming over and visiting with me today and seeing what I have. And Coach, I'm still in the Coach rabbit hole. Still in the Coach rabbit hole. All right, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.